start with frying our chicken. So the chicken pieces are brown. We're not interested in cooking the chicken at this point. All we're doing is browning it and sealing that flavor. Tip in the rest of the sesame oil. So we've got our garlic and our peppers and spring onions. 30 seconds is all this is going to need. So it's taking on some flavor, some color, and then our sweet and sour sauce that we made earlier on. Give it a stir because that corn flour would have settled at the bottom. Give it a stir, pour it in. Keep stirring your sauce as it thickens. Because of the corn flour, our sauce is going to start thickening up because corn flour is going to turn into starch. There we go. Now you can see that it's bubbling. At this point, we're going to tip our chicken and any juices that it might have, any uncooked chicken juices, back into our sauce. Now remember, your chicken wasn't cooked just now. We only browned it for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. So we're going to bring all this back up to boil. Then we're going to lower the heat down and let this chicken cook away for 5 minutes. Chicken breasts, tiny pieces, no bones. 5 minutes more is all you need for the chicken breast to cook through. And now, remember our pineapple pieces? We're going to tip them all in. Okay, so our pineapple's heated right through. The pieces have had a minute. That's done. And it smells amazing. I can smell the sweet and sour. So I want to show you the sauce. So it's fairly thick. You can go slightly thicker if you want and increase the corn flour. You could decrease the corn flour and have a really runny sauce, which is how I make it when I cook it at home, because the kids must have sauce with their rice. So homemade sweet and sour chicken in 25 minutes flat.